When it comes to hoop sizes that come with the BERNINA 570 Quilters Edition with the embroidery module, we have the oval hoop and a medium hoop, and there are a couple other sizes that are available to you. Now this is the super long one. That's actually 16 inches total of embroidery space, and then there's a midi hoop as well that's wider than this one. That's great for if you're doing machine quilting in your hoop, gives you more options. So let's just do something real quick where we can go in and check out the different hoop options in the machine. Here's another thing that I love about this machine and BERNINA in general. Let's go in, and when we pick a design that's a little bit smaller, you will find that it will always pick the hoop size that it will fit in. So if right here it shows a medium hoop, so that means that this design would fit in here. Now let's say we've already hooped our fabric up because we know that we maybe want to put that design in, and then maybe we're going to add something above it or below it or add some lettering. All you need to do is switch what the hoop is that's showing. Touch where it says medium hoop, and then come over here to where oval hoop is. And you can see immediately you get a larger, I call it a playground, so we have more room to move that down. Maybe we could put two designs in that same hoop. The midi hoop I mentioned, watch the screen. You can see it expanded to the sides. There's more room in there. And then that mega hoop, oh my goodness, we could put, gosh, 4 or 5 of those designs all lined up. There's also a small hoop and then also a hat hoop. So if those are hoops that you want to be using, those are all loaded up and ready. But your machine will tell you which hoop it will fit in, and it's always best to use the hoop size that your design is closest to. That will use less stabilizer, and it will be hooped in a tighter area for a better finishing result. So if you're doing a really small design, doing it in a really big hoop doesn't make sense. Obviously, we're wasting stabilizer, but if that's the case, you definitely will just use like a medium hoop or a small hoop, and you'll get the better choices. So whichever design you've picked, it will pick the hoop size to use. You tell the machine which hoop you're using, and you actually, or I say the machine, will actually calibrate the hoop you put on and make sure you don't accidentally pick the wrong hoop. It will slide across here, that's what it's going to do, as it senses it, and if you've put the wrong hoop on, it will actually tell you, hey, you haven't put the right hoop on, and it will keep you from getting in trouble. So lots to learn. I hope you'll try out a lot of your built-in designs. Check out our Embroidery Essentials online course. We've got links below where you can master this machine, where you can take yourself from zero to hero in becoming an embroidery master.